Hey, I'm gonna cook up some of these little guys. It's not hard to do either. Wait till you see. Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. Hey, I decided to try out these cookies. These are the cookies that came from Wildgrain. And if you haven't seen that video, I did a boxing for Wildgrain products. And what it is a monthly subscription where they send you these breads and pastries and pastas and good stuff. And the cookies were a part of that. And these are 6 chocolate chip cookies that are basically the same ingredients that I put in my chocolate chip cookies. You know, chocolate, flour, butter, brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, and sea salt. That's how I make my cookies, okay? So the thing of it is, these, I don't have to mess with the prep. Just put them on the baking sheet, put them in the oven, and let's see here. See, do not thaw, bake from frozen, preheat 350, put frozen cookies on the sheet, bake for 16 to 20 minutes. Okay, I think I can manage that. By the way, if you want to know more about this company, right underneath this in the description box, there's a link, which is my link for their products. And what happens if you click on that, then I actually get a commission on the sale if you decide you want to sign up for their products. So take a look at that. And we're going to look at these cookies. Come on over. All right, so we have these cookies. Boy, I've been looking forward to this. You know, just had a wonderful meal, and I wanted something to have as a nice, you know, kind of like a dessert. But without me having to just, you know, work to get there, okay? In other words, I wanted it easy. So this is easy right here. And from what I can say about their products that I've had so far, they're absolutely incredible. I've definitely signed up for their subscription, so I'm going to be getting my boxes regularly, and I recommend you folks at least try it. Okay. Fresh, home-baked cookies, and all I did was put them on the sheet and put them in the oven. Not much to it. Okay, just got to give it time. When that beeps at me, pull it out. We'll take a look at it. According to this, let them sit for 5 minutes. Carefully remove the cookies and enjoy them. All right, so, and these are big honking cookies, folks. Big cookie. Okay, that sure smells good. Oh yeah. Oh, those are beautiful. Right there. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yes. And there they are. That sure does look good, doesn't it? Tell you what, can't wait to dig in on these. Just need to let them cool for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna have at it. All right, just let it cool for about 2 minutes. Not very long, just long enough to let them firm up a little bit. They're still flexible, but that's a good time to just loosen them right up off that pan. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Nice. Oh, I'll tell you what. Okay. That's a stellar cookie. Right? And I'm not just saying that. I mean, this is a good cookie. Plenty of chocolate in every bite. has a good chocolate to cookie ratio, about 30%. Folks, try this out. You're going to enjoy your Wild Grains box when you get one. Remember, use that link that's right down in the description box, and that'll get you to Wild Grains. It'll also allow me to earn my commission. So if you would, please help me out there. That's very, very appreciated. Also, subscribe if you haven't done so. Click the bell. That way you get notified when I put up new recipes. Got some more recipes coming, good ones. And if you would, drop some comments down below. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Have a good time and enjoy your cookie. Heck yeah.